Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many Instagram users face camera or microphone not working on laptop. This usually happens when browser permissions are blocked. I will show you how to allow camera and microphone access on Instagram on laptop step by step. First, open Chrome or any other browser on your laptop. Now go to the Instagram website and log into your account. Next, look at the left side of the website address bar. You will see a small settings or lock icon. Click on this icon to view site information. Now select Site Settings from the menu. This will open permission settings for Instagram. Here you will see options like camera and microphone. Tap on the drop-down menu next to camera. Change it to allow. Do the same for the microphone option. After allowing both permissions, close the Settings tab. Refresh the Instagram page. Now Instagram will be able to access your camera and microphone without any problem. That is how you allow camera and microphone access on Instagram on laptop. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more app fixes and troubleshooting tutorials.